Come to an end, and while this was not a trial, the procedure was certainly unique.
Western Mass News reporter Maggie Lohmiller joins us with more from a Springfield attorney, breaks it down, this very unprecedented process. Maggie?
Very true, Dave and Beth. The hearing was essentially a job interview, but this proceeding was anything but a typical screening procedure.
The Senate Judiciary Committee was called upon to do a job to ensure the next Supreme Court justice is a good fit.
They have to go through a vetting process. There's a part of Congress that is basically selected to be able to go through and interview, do a due diligence on the selection.
But sexual assault allegations against Judge Brett Kavanaugh add another layer to this process.
It's a lifetime appointment, and so you really want to make sure whoever it is that's been selected is someone who is fit to serve.
The American Bar Association says they wanted this vote postponed until the FBI could investigate the allegations. Attorney Trevon Bailey tells Western Mass News he does not have a stance, but could speculate why they would make that request.
If they feel as if that this person is credible and they find out through an FBI investigation that her story can be corroborated, then maybe this person isn't a fit candidate and maybe they shouldn't be going forward. And I think that they just want the process to be fully exercised.
The testimony given weighed heavily in this case. Some question whether Judge Kavanaugh did a fair job defending himself.
Some of that was a little bit concerning. I'm sure that he felt as if that he was doing what he needed to do in order to defend himself. I think it's all, unless you're probably in his shoes, you probably don't know exactly how you're going to react.
While this step of the process is done, the full Senate vote could be as early as next week. In the studio, I'm Maggie Lohmiller, Western Mass News.
And for continued